Hi, Ramesh and Carlos. Good morning. Good morning. Ramesh and Carlos, good morning.
Yeah, hi Venkat, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so coming to the today's class, I'm been going to start with Carlos. Good morning. Okay, so
Good morning.
good morning. So coming to the today's class, I'm going to be start about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript concepts. Okay, today I'm going to teach HTML and CSS. From tomorrow, I'm going to be start with the JavaScript concepts. Is my voice is clear to everyone? Is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, Venkat, you can continue.
Okay, so coming to the today's class, I'll start with HTML, CSS. So what are the things which are helpful for our LWC? Okay, so I'll continue how this particular HTML is been used in our LWC concepts. Like for example, if you take some tag in HTML, okay, how that particular tag has been helpful in the LWC. So each and every scripting language or UI programming language, the root causes came from the HTML only. Okay. So that's say because I'm going to discuss about HTML later, I'm going to be start the LWC concepts, HTML and CSS. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, so there are three things you need. Okay, first of all, you need Visual Studio Code. Okay, these three softwares you need to install. Inside the Visual Studio Code, you need to install the GoLive server. Okay, and also you need to have a Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, anything. Okay, you need three things before proceeding the things. Okay, so first of all, let me try to install the Visual Studio Code. So I'll provide the link also. I'm downloading the Visual Studio Code. Okay, just click on this Windows 10 or 11. Yes, everyone able to see? I'm able to download. Okay, copy this Visual Studio Code. I'm giving the link. Okay, everyone, please proceed to download this Visual Studio Code. Everyone in the class. Okay, I'm saying again, no need to write a single point. Everything I use it to teach. After completion of the class, please proceed the things whatever it may be. Okay, just I'm clicking on this particular install. It is showing that previously has been detected. Okay. Previously has been detected because I have this particular Visual Studio Code. I'm closing my Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me try to click on File Explorer. Let me try to go to the download section. I'm navigating to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm clicking on I accept the agreement, whatever it may be. So click on next. Everyone able to see the screen? Ramesh, Carlos, Kavya.
Yes, Venkat.
Click on next. Okay, click on next. So click on install. Okay, I had been installed previously. That's why I'm clicking on cancel. Okay, you need to click on install. Everyone need to click on install. Okay. Please click on install. Okay, so after that, after installing this particular software, what is the next step? You need to go to the start menu, search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, click on open. Click on open. Okay, like this, it is used to be going to be look. Okay, our Visual Studio Code. Like this, it is used to going to be look. Okay, I need to install the GoLive server. But in LWC, no need of installing the GoLive server. The output it is used to be shown under the Salesforce server. I need to install the GoLive server. Where I need to go to for GoLive server? Okay, so extensions, navigate to extensions, search for live server. Search for live server. Everyone able to see the live server option? Live server.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kavya.
Yes.
Yeah, you're able
Okay,
to see.
so please install this live server, everyone. Okay, I'm going to the, I'm just snipping, I'm taking the screenshot by using snipping tool. Okay, I'm copying this, I'm pasting for your further reference, everyone. No. Okay, like this. This is how the thing. Yes. First of all, what is my first step? Okay, what is my first step? I need to create a folder. Okay, I need to create a folder inside the desktop with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JS. I am creating the folder. Okay, so today I'm discussing some codes. What are the codes which I'm discussing? Each and everything I had been designed in a structured format. No need to write a single point. Just only in the classes, the main point from your side is you need to listen and you need to clarify your queries. That's it. Okay, what are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything I copied it to notepad file. I'll provide you the file. I'll upload in the drive after completion of the class. No need to write a single point. Okay, I'm saying again. What are the codes, each and everything. Like this I mentioned. It's not a running notes. It's the notes which I prepared myself. Okay, what are the things which I'm teaching, each and everything which is provided here. Okay, then it will be quick reference for you easily. So in future also. Yeah. Okay, I created this folder, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Go to Visual Studio Code. Click on open folder. Everyone able to see the open folder option? Okay, so navigate to desktop. So I'm loading this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript folder. Click on select folder. Select. This is, yeah, this is the entire thing. Everyone able to understand still now? Everyone able to understand still now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me try to start with HTML. So what is the full form of HTML? Anyone in the class? Hypertext.
Protect markup language.
Okay, hypertext markup language. Okay, mainly it is used to design. It is used to design user interface. User interface. So here we have different types of tags. Okay, here we have different types of tags. Div tag. Okay, p tag. Okay, to represent headings, we have h1 to h6. And also to represent any hyperlinks. Okay, under the page, we can use /a. Okay, to represent images, we can use img tag. Okay, to represent like bullets, whatever it may, we have ordered list, unordered list, like this. So we have a different types of tags. Okay, we have different types of tags in LWC, sorry, in HTML. The same way in LWC also same way, no changes. I'll tell you, just I'll make you differentiate. First of all, let me try to create a file. Okay, just click on new file, my first page.html. Okay, so in like normally in LWC, no need to create a files like this. Whenever you created an LWC component, automatically HTML, JavaScript, and XML file is created. Okay, no need to create it. In only normally, just because first of all I'm introducing this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that's I'm creating here. I did not connected anything. Okay, that LWC connection to Salesforce is a different concept. I'll guide you. Yes. Okay, you need to place inside the head. The title you need to place. This is the structure. Okay, my first page. This is the structure. Inside the body, you need to write all the codes, whatever it may be. Inside the body, you need to write. Yes. In LWC, how you can write in LWC? In LWC, you'll write the code inside template. Like this, I'll differentiate. Whenever I'm learning HTML in starting class. In Monday class onwards, I'm going to be start with LWC, no worries. Like this. We'll write the code inside this. But in here, in HTML, we'll mention HTML. Here in LWC, mention template. Okay. Template. Inside the body, I use it to write all the tags. Okay, div tag. Okay, just I'm mentioning welcome to first HTML page. If you want to see the output. Okay, everyone able to see the go live option under the right side bottom? Go live option. Everyone able to see this?
Yeah.
Click on this go live. Okay, click on this go live. Immediately it will be redirected to the Internet Explorer or a Chrome. It may take some time to start the server. Yeah, the output will be displayed. Yes, this is the output. But in LWC, the output will be displayed on the Salesforce server. Okay. In LWC, the output will be displayed on the Salesforce server. Hi, Sumit. Hi. Good morning. Okay. Just I'm mentioning this is a paragraph. Yeah, today I'm going to start with HTML and CSS, Sumit. Okay. Just only the basic concepts for LWC. I've been building Sumit. Yeah. Okay, this is paragraph. Immediately, if you control S, if you save this particular data, immediately you can able to see the output. In LWC, the output will be shown under the Salesforce server. Yeah, here the things are been different. Okay, and also we have HTML heading. Okay, there are different types of HTML headings. Like we have H1, H2. Okay, so the size will be reduced as comparing to H1. This is heading 2. Every opening tag has a closing tag in the LWC. Okay, every opening tag has a closing tags in LWC. This is heading 3. Just it reduces the size. H4 means as compared to previous, it is reduces. Like this, it is reduces. Okay, you can able to see. You can see able to see the output. I'm clicking on Control S on the keyboard. Everyone able to see the output. The size is reduced in LWC also same tags. Only some of the tags will be modified as per the requirements, as per the designing of LWC. Like this. Sumit, I think Sumit, am I audible to you?
Yes, Venkat.
Sumit, kindly please create an account here. Okay, free account. So I think other people had been created. If you don't have an orgs, so kindly please create.
Yes, developer on Salesforce.
Yes, you created.
Yeah, you have.
You have means fine, no worries. What about other people? Everyone has the orgs.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine then. Okay. Okay, to represent the image. Okay, in LWC, like just we'll upload the image to the Salesforce server. Then by using img tag, we'll load that appropriate image. Here also we are using img tag. Okay, so but here I am loading the images from the just to pick some arts. Normally in LWC, first we'll load the image, whatever it may be onto the backend. Okay, that particular image we'll import it to JavaScript. I'll show you. Okay, when LWC modules on, I'll show you. Okay, here you can use img tag only in LWC also. I'm saying again, we are using img tag in LWC also. We are using img tag only. You can able to see. Yes, everyone able to see the image. Out of 300 images, 200 images have been loaded continuously from the Pixar photos like this. This is the link. But in LWC, we'll upload the single image to whatever the image we need to backend. The same image will be displayed onto the front end. In LWC also img tag. Okay, to represent the link. For example, if you click at this particular link, immediately you'll be redirected to that appropriate website, whatever it may be. I'm using /a. Same thing. Okay, I'm navigating to Infosys.com. Go to Infosys. When you click at this particular link, immediately it will be navigated to Infosys. In LWC also /a only to represent redirection link, whatever it may be. Yes, I think everyone able to see the link. If you click at this particular link, immediately you'll redirect it to the infosys.com. Yeah. In LWC also the same thing. Okay, nothing, no changes in LWC also. And another thing is in LWC, to divide one element another element, we use a break tag. But in in HTML, but in LWC, automatically the information will be divided. No need of break tag. So here we need to give a multiple break tags to divide one element another element. But in LWC, no need to give a break tag every time. Yeah, only if it is required, essential, we need to give. And in LWC, to represent the tables, okay? In represent a table, we'll use a lightning hyphen. Like this, I'll differentiate. Why I'm learning HTML. Okay, so the every programming, every UI language, okay, the root causes came from HTML only. I'll represent lightning hyphen data table. But the data will be represented in a structured format in HTML. I'll give you the use case also when I had been got this. But here, okay, here the case is different. So here I'm using table tag to represent a table. Every table has a columns. Every table has a columns. Okay, that's why I'm using tr tag. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching. Everyone is understanding.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. What about other people? Ramesh, Carlos.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine.
I didn't get, what do we have a multiple heading on the top?
You are saying this one?
Yes, what do you have that? I didn't get that one. I
Yeah,
missed that.
I'll tell you. Okay, H1 represents like the size will be large as comparing to H2. H2 is reduces the size. You can able to see. Okay, for example, if you take a heading 3, the size is reduced. Heading 4, the size is reduced. Okay,
Okay.
here H5 is smaller than H4. H4 is smaller than H3. H3 has smaller than H2. H2 is smaller than H1. Okay, based on the requirement.
Okay, got
Mostly
it.
we'll mention H1 only. We'll mention the
Got it.
style as per the requirement.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, like we have company, country, and continent. Okay, so for that company, country, and continent, if you want to supply the values, okay, you can use tr. Just normal, I'm supplying the values. Okay, A, B, C. Just I'm supplying the values. Okay, for this ABC. Here also, okay, we are supplying the values D, E, F. Okay, just I'm supplying the values. I'm supplying the values here. That's it, nothing. If you can see the output. Yes. I think the data is not been representing. Let us see why the data is not representing. Okay, this is a table tag. Every table, every starting tag has a closing. Okay, just to represent the columns, we are using tr tag. Yeah, to represent a values we are using. Okay, I did not save it. Control S. You need to click on Control S. Then only output will be displayed. See. Everyone able to see the output, but the data is not in structured format as comparing to LWC. But in LWC, same output we can show in structured format. Okay, I'm navigating the code. Just I loaded the data from the server. Okay, I representing this particular data. Yes. Everyone able to see the table. So whatever the data has been available under the backend, the same data has been represented on the lightning data table. So I use lightning hyphen data table tag. In future classes, I'll show this particular example. Okay, total 98 records. But in here, it is not that much a structured format. Another thing is HTML lists. I'll show you HTML lists. But in other, normally in UI programming language, whenever you see in the output, just when you see in the code, you'll get some 60 to some 50% mostly. Whenever if you see in the output, then only you'll get some 100% result. Okay, in LWC also, whenever you see in the output, then only you'll get some 100% result. That's why you need to practice after completion of the class, everyone. If you have any queries, so we'll create a WhatsApp group also. I think from Sunday onwards mostly. Then you can clarify your queries if you have anything. Okay, so ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so to represent the information in a number format and a bullet format. Okay, so we have a coffee and also we have a milk. Okay, so you can able to see the output now. See, everyone able to see it is been representing in a bullet format. Okay, everyone able to see it is representing the data in a bullet format. Okay, for example, if you want to represent in a number format. Okay, if you want to represent in a number. Okay, then we can use columns. I'm copying this. Okay, I'll represent the data in a number format. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Okay, I represented the data in a number format. Here I represented in a bullet format. Because I used OL tag. In LWC also same thing, nothing, no changes. Only some things, only table tag, only some tags will be modified as per the requirement. And everyone know the input boxes. Like first name, last name. Everyone able to see the input boxes. Input boxes. Like whenever if the customer able to enter, for example, you visited to the bank. If you want, like Kavya is interested in creating account, what's the step she will do? Okay, she will create an account. Okay, she will ask the team to her details, and if they click on submit, the data will be saved to the server. Like this only it will be proceeded, Sumit.
Yes.
Definitely. Okay, definitely. So how to create this type of input boxes? How to create this type of input boxes? I'm saying everyone, no worries. Okay, because for the next 1 month, we are going to be teach every day on each and every concept. Because maybe starting it is difficult. It is your first day. Day by day, day by day, day by day. So if you practice and if you are seeing these things, definitely you'll get familiar on each and every concepts. I can understand. Carlos, are you feeling any difficulty? Anyone are feeling any difficulty?
No, Venkat.
Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. What about Ramesh?
What is the OL tag?
OL tag is nothing but I shown, to represent numbers, numerics.
Order list.
Order list.
Okay.
Okay. And HTML forms, okay, to represent. Okay, so inside the form we need to represent. So we have a label. Okay, we have a label. So we have a first name. Okay, and we have input type. Okay, input type is equal to text. Here input type is equal to text. You can able to see the output. You can able to see. So everyone able to see it is represented in the box. First name. You need to mention input tag. You need to mention input tag. Okay. For example, in LWC, if you want to design the same code, you need to use lightning hyphen
Input.
input. Yes. Type is equal to text. Okay, label is equal to first name. Okay, you need to mention like this. If in LWC, if you need the data.
So in LWC, we have customized tab for all HTML tags.
Yes, it's correct. It is a customized. Yeah. And another thing is if you need anything. Okay, so we have a component library. It has been provided by the SALESFORCE only. So we can navigate to the component library, LWC component library. You can take the codes from here. Okay. But I'm expecting that don't copy and paste because you are in the starting. Okay, just try to practice. If you practice means then in future you can easily get the things. Then you can copy the things. Okay, just do the same thing.
Do you have list, Venkat? Like, see, in HTML we use div, no, but in the Lightning you use template, right?
Yeah, no. Div is same. Some tags are same. Only some tags will be differentiated. Div, P, H1, image, A. These are all same. Only some tags will be differentiated. Kavya.
Okay. Do you have list of that with you?
List HTML is also same. No changes in LWC.
No, like we use different tags when we compare to Lightning and HTML, no?
Yeah.
That list you have. I mean, notes with you.
Yes. No worries. Like, okay, you are saying that comparison like this. I'm comparing Lightning data table, Lightning input. Like this, you are saying.
Yeah.
Like these things I don't like. Just only I'll give the code after completion of this. Okay, I'll send the notepad file of HTML. No worries, Kavya. I'll give the for everything when I'm teaching LWC. I'll give you the exact outputs, each and everything. Then you'll get some familiarity. Okay, just only for like why HTML is helpful. Why I'm teaching HTML. That is the thing I'm differentiating. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we are using lightning tags,
Hmm.
so do we have this predefined CSS or designing included in that tag?
Yes. We'll create. After HTML, I'll start with CSS. Okay. Yes. We need to include CSS also. Yeah. Okay,
So
now.
while using the lightning
Hmm.
tags, do we need to include the CSS or it automatically has a predefined?
No. Automatically, it will not include a CSS. We need to include it. Okay. But as comparing to this output, the data is in a structured format. Okay. As comparing to HTML, the data is in somewhat a more better. But if you need CSS means we need to include it by creating the CSS. I'll tell you how to create CSS also. Okay. Automatically, it will not include it. Okay. If it's a last name. In LWC, no need to give the break tag. Here you need to give the break tag. Okay. You need to give the break tag. In LWC, no need to give the break tag. I'm saying again. Input type is equal to text. Okay. First name and last name. Yes. See, but in LWC, no need to give the break tag like this every time. Okay. Just again, I'm giving the break. In LWC, no need to give the break tag. I'm saying again. Okay. This is the thing. The data automatically will be aligned. As comparing to HTML, so that CSS will be reduced, okay, in LWC. That is the thing I want to concern. So we have a radio buttons. Everyone know about radio buttons? Radio buttons. Radio buttons. Everyone know this?
Yeah.
Okay, like in LWC, okay, we need to mention lightning input. Type is equal to radio. Okay, but here, okay, here the information will be differentiated. No worries, everyone will get familiar. Okay, please wait. So, like when we are started with LWC, you'll get some idea, everyone. Okay, label HTML. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, this is one radio button. CSS. Okay, this is one radio button. Okay, JavaScript. Okay, there are three radio buttons, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can able to see the output. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the thing. Okay, so we have three demos, everyone. So yesterday one demo is completed, today and tomorrow. Okay, so if anyone are interested, once please contact the team. Drive has been created. Okay, like the WhatsApp group will be created, and after completion of the registration, and also drive access also will be given for the people. Yeah. Tomorrow also there is a demo. Okay, the classes will be continued from Monday onwards as usual. Okay. For the registered student from Monday onwards, the classes will be continued as usual. Yeah. The continuation classes, that's it. Okay, I created a radio buttons. Anyone have any idea on checkboxes? Checkboxes. Like we'll enter like male, female, like whenever we are entering any details. Checkboxes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like in LWC, we'll make type is equal to checkbox. Okay, here how the things are been. I need to mention input. Type is equal to checkbox. Okay, label vehicle 1. Just I'm been mentioning vehicle 2, vehicle 3, vehicle 4. Vehicle 2, vehicle 3, vehicle 4. Vehicle 2, vehicle 3, vehicle 4. Okay, I'm mentioning like this. I need to give the brake tags. In LWC, I told you automatically the brake tag will be given. Okay, no need to give the brake tag. Automatically it will be braked. You can able to see it, everyone. The information will be aligned like this. Yeah. Anyone will tell the difference? What is the difference between the radio buttons and checkboxes? Anyone tell the difference in between the radio buttons and checkboxes? Sumit, anyone? Kavya.
Radio button, we can select one option and checkbox we can select multiple options.
Yes, it's correct. In radio buttons, you can select multiple options. That's it. This is a thing. And another thing is, I'm giving the brake tag. In LWC, like not in LWC, I think normally, I think everyone know. Like we have like this. Okay, like drop down. Anyone observe the drop down? Like so whenever we are choosing the car or whenever we are choosing the country in any of the website, we can see the drop down. Anyone able to see the drop down?
Yeah.
Like this, we have different types of countries. Anyone observe this? Carlos, Ramesh, you observe this?
Yeah.
Yeah, like this, we have different types of things in LWC. Okay, so it will be called as in LWC. Everything will be demonstrated with examples. Today is our first class, just only for demonstration purpose, how this HTML is useful. I'm giving an idea. Okay, lightning hyphen combo box. Combo box. Okay, we are using combo box tag in LWC. Okay, so in normally in HTML, it should be differentiated. Okay, like label. Choose a car. Okay, just I'm mentioning the options. Inside the select, I'm mentioning. Okay. So there are different types of cars. So kindly please tell me any of the cars. Any of the cars. Toyota. Anyone please tell me the cars names.
BMW.
Yeah, BMW. Yes.
Benz, Innova,
Yes, Innova. Just I'm mentioning.
Skoda.
Yes, hold on. Okay, I think it's fine.
Mercedes.
Huh? You're saying something?
No, Mercedes.
Mi series. M series.
Yeah.
Okay, see, I mentioned different types of options. Okay, in LWC, okay, the options will be come from the, what are the options which I'm defining? Okay, I'm getting from the JavaScript. I'll show you, okay, when I'm explaining the examples, I'll show you. The options will come from the JavaScript. Then it will be printed here under HTML, UI, user interface.
Do we need to have much knowledge on JS or brief, like basic
Just
concepts?
only basic. What I'm discussing, it's fine. Okay, I analyzed it. Okay, so whatever I'm discussing, it's fine. Completely, it's fine. No need of any knowledge, any other knowledge. That's why I started with these concepts.
Okay.
Everyone able to see it? Combo box. Even without having HTML, CSS, and JavaScript knowledge, also you can enter into LWC. But my main intention is, if you learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I'm thinking that you will perform more better way. That's why. Okay. That's it. I'm teaching it. Without this, also you can continue. But like at least you'll get some familiarity. You will get more understanding. Okay. Without learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you'll get more understanding. In my audio, I see in the students. That's why I'm teaching this.
So if we need to dynamically get some data
Yes.
like GSP or
Yes,
ASP.
yes. We'll get the data from the Salesforce server. Okay, so like we'll create some Apex class to retrieve the data. In future classes, I'll show you. Okay, dynamically we'll retrieve the data by so creating Apex class. Apex class will send the data to the front end. Okay, so we'll import it and I'll show you with examples.
So then we use JavaScript or Node.js or something like that.
No need of any Node.js. So we'll use here, no need of any external frameworks. Everything is JavaScript, HTML, and XML. Okay. No need of any external frameworks here in LWC. Saying again. No need of any external frameworks. No need of any external frameworks. Even for deployment purpose also, like other .NET, Java, Python, they are using some AWS cloud, some Google cloud servers. But here no need of using anything servers also. So we have Experience Cloud. Okay, I'll teach you Experience Cloud also. Yeah, no need of any external frameworks or any external servers, anything. Yeah.
What about Email Studio and Journey Builder? We'll be discussing that also.
It is related to Marketing Cloud, I think so. Can you please repeat it? Email Studio and the Journey Builder, these are related to Marketing Cloud. Yeah.
Okay.
Kavya, yeah. It is related to Marketing Cloud. Our main intention is our LWC. Yeah. LWC, it's nothing but designing UI user interface. Yeah. I think yesterday I shown you email templates. Yeah.
Yes.
Email templates. That is the thing you are asking?
Yeah.
Email templates, I'll just only for reference purpose yesterday shown. Normally, I'll show it how to design it. Okay. And Email Studio, Marketing Builder, Journey Builder, it's a Marketing Cloud. Okay. I think it's separate for Marketing Cloud. There is a separate team is there. Yeah. In every company, whatever it may be. To design LWC user interface. Even LWC is mainly to design user interface as per the requirements of the client. We will use LWC. Front-end websites. That is a part of LWC part. This is a thing. And I think everyone had get some familiarity, like buttons. Definitely we have familiar buttons. So we'll use lightning hyphen button in LWC. Lightning hyphen button in LWC will represent like this, lightning hyphen button. So variant is equal to brand. It will be represented in a blue color. Label. Submit. Yeah, but in HTML it will be differentiated, not like this. So we have button. So type, it is the type I'm mentioning as a button. No need to mention the type in LWC. While I'm creating the button, on click of this particular button. Okay, immediately some alert message. Hi. How are you? Okay, click me. And I'm clicking this particular button. Immediately I'll get this hi, how are you? On click of this particular button. You can able to see. Everyone able to see the button? So down. Everyone able to see the button?
Yes.
If I click this particular button. Yes. Okay, you can able to see. Hi, how are you? This information will be displayed under the screen. This is one type. And another thing. And another thing. No worries, everything will be conveyed. Like when I'm teaching LWC, everything will get familiarity. If you're facing difficulty also, no worries. Okay, just to practice. What are the things which I'm teaching? It's fine, it's enough. Okay, label. I'll give the assignments, then you can prove everyone, okay, in LWC. After completion of the topics, I'll give the assignments. Everyone, then you can prove. Okay, if anyone have any queries, then you can ask me. Okay, if I want to represent the type is equal to, I'm mentioning the date. You can able to see it. See, everyone able to see the date. Just I mentioned type is equal to date. Immediately it is mentioned. This is the thing. This is the things, whatever it may be. Some of the things which have been presented in LWC, what are the required? Okay, what are the things which are the required? Okay, and when I'm teaching LWC, you'll get some better idea. Okay, these are some 10% idea at least you need. Yeah. Everyone is clear on the things whatever I discussed today on HTML part. Everyone is clear. Sumit, Aditya, Sumit, and Carlos, Kavya, Ramesh. Everyone is clear?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
So are we gonna do the formatting? So an example, if we want a particular field to appear
Yes,
somewhere on the screen.
yes.
Okay.
We'll do it in LWC. Okay, just only I created some input types. Okay, you can able to say, I think like
Sure.
this you're asking. Okay, for example, if I entered some Carlos. Okay, like a Salesforce. Okay, Mr. Email. So like this, the customer will enter. In real time, we'll do this. In real time, like this only. If I click on submit. Okay, so immediately the data will be saved. See, everyone able to see the toast notification like this in real time. We'll do this. Immediately the contact will be created on the back end. Like this, you're asking?
No, I'm not asking. I'm asking about on the UI. Are we going to see the formatting? So if you want to set an image maybe to appear on the bottom of the
Yes, it will
page.
be settled. It will be settled. Yeah, it will be settled. I think you are saying like this. Is it representing images? Yes.
I mean, if you go to the actual UI that you were building,
Okay,
not
in
this one.
Experience Cloud. Okay, in Experience Cloud. Okay, first we'll create the LWC component. After, if you deploy it to Experience Cloud, okay, then in the website, the images will be able to see. Okay. In the website, you can able to see this particular type of images. In our future class, I'll show you the things step by step. Yeah, Carlos.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is a backend. Okay, the same thing, just we'll drag and drop. If you know how to design the LWC component, later you can drag and drop the things. You can easily develop the things, whatever it may be, which are required. Yeah. Another thing is CSS. Anyone know the full form of CSS? CSS
Cascading
full form. Yes. What is the main purpose of CSS?
to style the HTML.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, cascading style sheets. Okay, so whatever it may be, to style the CSS, we'll use this particular cascading style sheets, whatever it may be. Yeah, like, so let me try to give some information, then I'll go and explain some practical point of view related to the CSS. Mainly the main purpose is it is used to control the styling. Okay, there are different types of CSS. Inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Okay, I'm saying again, in LWC will not use this. Internal CSS will not used. Okay, only will use inline CSS and external CSS. Inline CSS means inside the HTML tags, you need to mention. For example, if you design the HTML tags like this. Okay, you need to design the CSS, inline CSS. Style is equal to, just you need to mention the font size, everything. Okay, like this you need to mention. If it's inline CSS. For example, in external CSS, not used in LWC, I'm saying again. Okay, if it's external CSS, for example, if it is in HTML tags here. Okay, you need to mention, you need to create a separate CSS file. Okay, you need to mention separately inside the HTML. So we have a font size. So, and we have color. Like this, we need to represent. Yeah. Okay, this is the different types of CSS we have. In LWC also, we need to create a, so just we'll create the LWC component. We need to create a separate file. Like I'm creating my second page.html for LWC representation. And also I'm creating CSS, my second page, like style.css. Okay, in LWC, no need of connecting in between HTML to CSS. Okay, I'm saying again, in LWC, no need of connecting. But in normal HTML and JavaScript, we need to connect by using style tag. Okay, my CSS representation. And we need to represent the body tag. Okay, inside the body, just normally I'm designing p tag. Okay, I'm learning LWC. If you want to represent inline CSS, how we represent inline CSS? You need to mention the style. Okay, color red. Okay, background color. Okay, green. Font size 30 pixel. You need to represent the data like this. You need to represent the information like this. Okay, for example, if you want to represent the external CSS, okay, you need to mention div. Hi, how are you? I'm creating external CSS. I told you. Okay, just so this is a div tag. Okay, I need to mention the tag name. Okay, I need to mention the color. And like font size 40 pixel. Just I'm mentioning the color and font size. If you can see the output, if you want to represent the board, like you can see the output first of all. Let us load this. I'm clicking on go live option. Everyone able to see the output? Everyone able to see the output? Hello? Am I audible to everyone? Yeah.
You can center the title, right? In the middle.
I did not got it. What you're saying?
You can center the title on the middle, right?
The title is nothing but the page title. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's right now it's really on the left side. Can you put it on the center if you want to?
You can keep it. You can keep it. Yeah. Yes, you can use center tag.
Okay.
You can copy this. Yes. Like this, you're asking? Carlos.
Yeah, but nothing happened, right? I mean, can
I did not.
did happen.
I did not got it. What you're asking? Just you're asking about the data need to be represented in the center. I think, hope it's fine.
Yes, I'm seeing that the I am learning LWC is on the left side. I mean, if you want to put it on the center of the page, you can change your
Yes.
your styling, right?
Yes. You can modify it. Okay, if
What
you want.
he's asking, Marcus.
What he's
For
asking?
the background green you have given, no? For that he's asking to put it in a center. Text align center we need to give.
Yes, it is possible. We can keep textile and as a center. Okay, here. Like you're asking about CSS. You're asking about CSS. You can mention text align. Okay, center.
Okay.
See, like this you're asking?
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Okay,
Okay,
got
fine.
it. Okay.
Fine, got it. Thank you. I need to connect in between CSS. In LWC, no need of connecting. Here only we need to connect. See, then only. Okay, so we applied some style.css, no, the color font size, whatever it may be, it is applied to HTML. If you connected in LWC, no need of connecting. Okay, here only we need to connect. See, now as compared to previous, now everyone able to see the output. Previously, it is not been represented to aquamarine. Now the information is represented to aquamarine. Why it is been represented to aquamarine? Because the main agenda is I connected. So previously I did not connected. Okay, LWC to CSS, HTML to CSS. This is the thing. Still now anyone have any queries?
No.
Okay, so normally in real time also it's difficult to completely remind the CSS. Okay, like we'll go to CSS, W3 school CSS in real time also. The same thing we'll use. Just to apply some alignments or whatever it may be, whatever the things. Backgrounds, borders, anything, whatever it may be. Like this will represent, yeah. So there are one concept is there. There are three types of selectors. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll start with JavaScript. Okay, just normally today some CSS, element selector, class selector, ID, query selector in JavaScript. Yeah, ID selector. Okay, I'll explain in JavaScript. I'll explain the query selector, element selector, class selector. Okay, what is element selector? For example, if you represent the in HTML, if you represented the p tag like this. Okay, if it's element selector, these are the element selector. Okay, you can represent. In LWC, you can represent. Sorry, in CSS, you'll represent like this to target this particular element. Okay, so for example, if it's a class selector, if you have from the 100 p tags, just imagine from the 100 p tags. Okay, like I need to represent the styling to first 2 p tags. We need to apply some styling to first 2 p tags. We'll use dot notation. To represent this particular notation, okay, we'll use dot notation because it's a class selector. Everyone is getting the point what I'm showing?
Yes.
Everyone, Carlos, Ramesh, Sumit, everyone.
Yes, Ramesh.
Okay, for example, to represent an item uniquely, we'll use ID selector. Okay, ID selector will be represented with this notation, BP. This is Ramesh, are you understanding? Ramesh, are you understanding?
That's Venkat.
Okay, like dot notation, hash notation. Remember this point. and it is normal notation, hash notation, dot notation, hash. Yeah, let me try to mention. Then let's complete. Okay. Div class is equal to ABC LWC learning. Okay, again, div class is equal to ABC CSS learning. P ID is equal to DEF JavaScript learning. Okay, like this I created some tags. If it's class selector, what will represent Carlos? If it's class selector. If it's class selector, what will represent Carlos? Carlos. If it's class selector. Carlos. I think he is listening. Ramesh. If it's class selector, what will represent?
It's a dot notation.
Yes. Kavya, if it's a hash notation, what will represent? Sorry, if it's a ID selector, sorry. Hash
ID. Yes.
DEF. You can apply color to green. Okay, border. You can choosing the border 1 pixel solid. And if you can apply the font size also 40 pixel. You can apply the background color also as like a blue. I think the combination not looks good. I think now it's good. Okay, you can choose here also color blue. Okay, border 2 pixel. Just I'm mentioning salmon. Font style 50 pixel or 20 pixel. Just normally for representation purpose, I'm showing you. You can able to see. Yes, everyone able to see? Everyone able to see it? Anyone have any queries? Stopping sharing the screen. Ramesh, Carlos, everything is okay? Everything
Okay.
is okay.
Yeah.
What about Carlos? What about Carlos? Okay, fine. What about Sumit?
Yeah, I'm
Sumit and-
good.
Okay, Carlos, fine. Fine. What about Kavya? Kavya. Okay, team. Okay. Okay. Thank you, team. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay. What are the things which I'm teaching? Everything, the notes will be shareable. Okay, in the drive, I'll upload it. Okay. So what are the things which I'm teaching? Everything. So every day, the videos and notes, everything, it will be uploaded. This is about today's class, team. Let's meet tomorrow at the same timings. Okay.
Okay.
If anyone are interested.
Venkat, at the end.
Kavya, you're saying something?
We'll get certification at the end.
Like related to the course completion certificate you are saying? Yeah, the course completion you will get from DURGASOFT. It's no worries. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and everyone after completion of it, you will get the mail. Like the from DURGASOFT, the course completed, whatever it may be. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Are we going to do any project in this?
Yes, I
course?
told you no. Yesterday I told you no. I'll give you two things, two projects. One is traveling application, one is health cloud. I told you yesterday. Yeah. Yes.
So both front end, back end we will create, or back end will be ready. We just create the front end.
We'll create the front end. Okay, we'll create the front end for that appropriate project. We'll take the database, whatever it may be. Like we'll take the objects. Okay, from the back end. Automatically, if you save the data, means automatically it will be go to the backend automatically. Okay. Objects creation, like automatically the data will be come to the front end. When you clicked on that, just but in other things we need to connect between the data front end to back end. Here no need to connect the front end to back end. Automatically it will be connected, Sumit. Okay. That is an advantage. When you save the data, like the data will be saved to the back end if you place it the objects. Okay. Like in further classes, I'll discuss that particular experience cloud in future classes. Any other queries? Any other queries to anyone? I'm stopping the recording.